Hello YouTube, this is Asatsu5. This was a request by my brother. He wanted me to stop by and pick up some packages of his and make a YouTube video about them because he's in the next town over. Well, he's with his fiance. Anyways, these are packages from Richard Lee. He's a friend of ours. And, excuse me, again, I have a cough. Richard has been on the Cold Steel forum on Facebook and been pretty active on it. He was a Cold Steel representative. He's been on some of their videos and stuff, and he's been a really good guy to work with. And my brother wanted to buy some stuff. Basically, my brother traded his Natchez buoy for LTC kukri because the Natchez buoy wasn't very carry friendly, and he didn't like the plastic Scurex sheath. He wanted a leather sheath like my Laredo buoy. So he traded it for LCT kukri, and he wanted a new buoy, and he ordered something else as well. And he wanted me to film an unboxing video and upload it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Got my GEC 97. Let's see what this is first. It's packed very well. Alright, this is pretty awesome. And this is the main thing that my brother probably wanted to look at. This is the Samurai 3 Laredo buoy. In comparison to my SK5 Laredo buoy, I would say, and the lighting's terrible here. Here are those better lighting. I would say that this Samurai one, as of right now, is much more beautiful than the SK5. You got the Samurai 3 right there. You got the Samurai 3 right there. False Edge seems to be a little bit more legit than the False Edge on the SK5 version. The False Edge that came on my SK5 version, I mean, it's similar, I guess, but it wasn't as good as the Yeoman on the Randall. But it has, and we actually sharpened this False Edge a little bit, but it wasn't as good. It didn't reach my expectations of what I thought a False Edge should be. Of course, I've never owned a knife with a False Edge up until this point, but yeah, it seems like the Samurai one might be a little bit better ground. But of course, it has that beautiful lamination line on it. I know the lighting is terrible, but I had to get out here because the packages were so big. But beautiful knife. I love the micarta. I love the leather sheath. This is definitely a gentleman's buoy knife. The sheath isn't broken in as much, but man, it's beautiful. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, I wonder if Matthew will mind if I switch sheaths or switch knives. I can give him the SK5 one, and I can keep the Samurai 3. But yeah, my brother really enjoys the Laredo buoy, mine, and he wanted a new buoy to replace the Natchez that he traded for LTC kukri. And this is what he got, and I think he's going to be very happy with it. Now, where's my GEC? There it is. And I think I know what's in here, but I'm going to keep it a surprise until we open it. And to give you a hint, I think it's my brother's Grail Cold Steel. And yes, it is. story behind this as soon as I open it. I think this is a second LCT cookery. My brother was, I think, talking to Richard, and Richard's like, hey, do you want a user? And, you know, my brother already took the tape off of his because he was planning on using it. But my brother got him a second Corbin V LCT cookery. It has a lanyard on it. I think he's going to be happy with this. Anyways, that's the unboxing, bro. I gotta say that the Samurai buoy is on point and awesome, and you got a good work knife now. So that's it. I'm a Satsu 5, and I'm out.